third slip. It just about carries to Gary Balance. Full swinging delivery across the left-hander. England get an early strike. Outside edge, and has he dropped it or is it short? Play at that, yeah. Outside edge. Oh. That's a lovely shot through the offside, down the hill, runs away for 4.
There you go. Ball. Nick trying to work it on the onside. Back of the bat edge. Goes to Balance, who takes his second catch.
That is a good shot.
Tell you what, I reckon that's a drop catch. The last ball before lunch.
I think that will go all the way. No big follow through, just a push, but well timed. Edged and gone this time. Mark Pryor doesn't drop on this occasion.
Well,
lovely shot into his stride. Pujara is a feature.
no doubt about that. That's found a way through. Ben Stokes is delighted with that. Beautifully struck.
There is the movement, there is the edge. And Dhoni just flicking at one outside the off stump. And that's a big blow for India. The skipper's gone. Oh, close. He's just played that with his pad. Given LBW.
Just skidding straight on. Got his pad first.
And over the top. That's the way he played in the last game, and a good way to get off the mark. A boundary straight down the ground. Oh, close. Is it going over? No, it's not. The net back up, and Binney has gone.
What does Hawkeye say? Shows the movement, but it does hit him quite high and would have gone over the top, so Binney can count himself a little unlucky. That's the reason why.
Lovely shot, took through extra cover, goes all the way up the hill for 4. Moved on quickly to 50, Rahani. 50 from 101, 7 fours. That's 4.
This time through the offside.
At last. Did him in the length. I think he thought it was a little shorter than it was. It's full. He should have been going forward. Has it gone all the way? Yes. It has gone all the way.
New ball coming back into the right-hander. He knew exactly what he was doing. Very good timing.
That is a good shot, I tell you. Rahani, 94 he is now. A few more too. Add 4 more to that total. That'll do. Punch through the offside with great style. It'll run to the fence, and Lords will stand rightly to this young man who's played a fine innings here in the afternoon sunshine at Lords. Oh, what a catch, Jimmy Anderson. And it's a key wicket as well. Rahani, no sooner as he got through to that 100, he has chipped the ball back, and Anderson has taken a quite remarkable one-handed catch.
4th ball of the next over, though, after another single had been scored. Stokes got his line spot on, and with the ball bouncing a bit, Shami could only edge to the juggling hook at first slip.
Cooker's gone, just nibbling at the ball outside off stump.
Oh yes, gone. Outside edge.
Oh, nip back. It's a dangerous shot on here, but he'll get 4.
That's a good shot.
Runs. Too slow this surface to be banging it in.
Oh, is there a glove there? I think there is, isn't there? Yes. Just nip back in. And that's another wicket for Kumar, and it's a key man, Ian Bell. The experienced Ian Bell's gone. Cut away, and that will be 4. They don't have to run those.
Nice shot. A little bit too full this time from Binny, but balanced, ready and waiting for it, times it well.
Is there an inside edge? No, the finger goes up and Root must go. That's the danger. A bit quicker from Jadeja, sliding on, and Root has gone.
Oh, it's a massive inside edge. Well,
Moeen Ali, as he did against Rangana Harath here, gets off the mark in great style. .50 to Gary Balance.
Oh, that'll be 4. 3 little words. Short, wide, 4. Oh, stand up. Stand and deliver.
Great shot, over pitched and punished through extra cover. Good shot, good shot. He's quite happy to come down, use his feet.
There it is, beautifully played through mid-wicket. A punch in the air for Gary Balance. No real need to run for that. That 4 takes him to his second 100 in consecutive Lord's Test matches. Not many have done that. We'll tell you all about that in a moment. But Gary Balance celebrating. Well, it's pulled away over the top of mid-wicket. That's going to be 4 as well this time to Moeen Ali.
then you can get into another bowler and get him tired. That's close.
Well, and it's out. The finger, after a little bit of consideration, goes up.
Oh, I tell you what, is that a strangle?
Finger goes up. India have got exactly what they wanted from this second new ball. They've got that vital wicket of Gary Balance.
Another lovely shot. That's beautiful.
Great shot.
Firmly hit down the ground. Another boundary to Matt Pryor.
High in the air, the three fielders converge, wicket keepers there. Oh, terrific catch. Dhawan takes the catch. It was a real scramble.
Back of a limb delivery, trying to play the pull shot, top edge. See the distance he covers. That's a long way behind, and he's made it look easy. There were three men behind it: Dhoni, Jadeja and Dhawan.
Oh, bowled him straight through the gate. 5 for Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. Edged and gone this time. Oh yes, saw a lot of that at Trent Bridge. That's a good way to start your innings. That's runs. Stand up and deliver. Giving him a lot of width there. Got punished. A loud cheer for that half century for Liam Plunkett.
Reverse sweep and caught. James Anderson playing his shots this morning, but he's played one shot too many. That reverse sweep that worked so well for him at Trent Bridge has proved his undoing this morning.
Runs again.
He'll have to do well to stop that, and he doesn't.
Cut away, and he's gone, yes. Brilliant catch, diving to his left, it's Joe Root.
Nice shot. Driven away through extra cover. Up comes the 50 with that boundary.
That's going to be 4. Just a bit of width, but a good shot.
Thought he was. Itching to go downtown. Creamage. Outside edge and gone, yes! Plunkett makes that breakthrough, breaks this troublesome partnership. Oh, bowled him with a nip backer first up. And he's still quiet, he's Coley. Wonderful player, error of judgment.
Get one, you get two. Get a new man in, and a good ball that just came back up the hill. Clipped the top of off. So Plunkett has done the job, done what Alistair Cook wanted him to do.
Oh, the waste.
Oh, that's gone high in the air. Pryor comes round. That's a great effort from Matt Pryor. And that does look like the arm guard. Over the top of the slips, deliberately cut away there very nicely.
Good shot. Well played by Dhoni. Clipped away fine, and this will be another 4 to Vijay and his 50. Well played, Murali Vijay.
Nice shot.
Yes,
down the
good.
ground.
Shot. No need to move that Murali Vijay. Just smash that one through the covers. Great stroke. Got him! Good delivery from Plunkett. Pitched the ball up, got the edge, and safely caught by Ian Bell. That's it. Here we go, underneath it, and got him! Good catch. The skipper, Alistair Cook. Captain Cook takes a screamer.
Knew it was coming. Just the bat just turning in his hand, and how good a catch is that? It's a long way back. We saw Shikhar Dhawan yesterday, and this was as good as it can get. Terrific, Alistair Cook.
Well, that's found the gap. Not a bottom hand in that, but it's found the gap. There he goes. There's the edge.
Down the pitch. Oh yes, he's in one-day mode. Oh, up and over. What a shot that is. One bounce, 4. Oh, hit hard. Hit seriously hard. If it's up, it's off. If it's short, it's off. 256 for 7.
Just over mid up. Extra covers head rather. Moeen chasing. Will he get there? No, he doesn't. And that's his half century. A very important half century as well, Jadeja. Well. Now that he has his half century, perhaps he'll be opening up even more. Runs again. That's another very good shot. That's 4 more to Bhuvaneswar Kumar, 4 more to India. It's 307 for 7.
Oh, that's delicately played. Excellent from Kumar. Advancing down, has gone high in the air. Alistair Cook's after it. Is he going to catch it? Yes, he does. Excellent catch from Alistair Cook. And a big wicket for England.
Played well, but chanced his arm once too often. Short again from Ben Stokes. His eyes on the ball, Alistair Cook. His catching form hasn't deserted him.
Outside edge and gone. A lovely piece of bowling from Moeen Ali. A straight on it. down the ground. Kumar moves on to 52. And gone. Ian Bell throws the ball away. A kick of the turf in celebration this time from Ben Stokes. He picks up his third wicket.
Oh, that is pad first, but he's given it. The tactic works.
Pitches outside the line. Now, has it hit him outside the line, or is it going on a hit off stump?
Runs, likes those.
Yeah,
Oh, first ball of the new spell, and things are changing. Beautifully bowled by Ishant Sharma. Perfect line, ball keeps low, one of those ones which Ian Bell will think, well, what have I done to deserve that? Oh, he might have got in there. Yes, it's another outside edge. Ishant Sharma is the man for India in this spell to destroy England's hopes. Oh, what a beautiful shot. Just ease your first ball straight down to the cover boundary like that. Interesting footwork, unusual footwork as far as Root is concerned, but it pays off.
Root drives down the ground. It was a real loosener from Ishant Sharma, a long half volley, and Root has put it away. Driven again, it's through extra cover this time, but it's equally good and same result. And again, and Joe Root goes through to 50. 3 fours in the over from Ishant Sharma. Brought back to try and pick up a wicket before lunch, but it's Root who's given him some hammer. 51 now, 122 balls. Oh no! Can you believe it? Just before lunch. What a blow for England that is. What a delivery from Ishant Sharma, and credit to him and to Dhoni. Changing ploy, going to a short pitch ploy, and Sharma got it right.
Pryor goes for it this time and goes for it well. Long way in front of square. Beautifully timed by Matt Pryor. Pulled again by Pryor and pulled straight to the man. Pryor's gone. The short ball theory has worked, and it's right on the stroke of the new ball. Pulled away, it's high. Is it high enough? Is it far enough? No, it isn't. Ben Stokes goes as well to the short ball. England in all sorts of trouble.
And that's a pair for Ben Stokes.
Pulled away again from Root. It's in the air. He's gone now as well. Short ball works again for India. And England are now on the brink.
I think they've been on the brink for a little while, Andrew. But you're right. Probably is done and done. 6 wickets now for Ishant Sharma.
Shan again. Oh, I didn't know much about that Broad, but it might run away to the boundary. It nearly went for 6. Was an egg. Oh, has he got a tickle on that down the leg side? Yes, he has. Stuart Broad has to go. Ishant Sharma, he's probably going to have another one. It's his career best figures, 7 for 71. What an effort from Ishant Sharma. He's on fire.
Oh, gone. Gone. End of the game. Very apt, I would say. England have been blown away here. Fabulous victory for India. I think the captain's been excellent. Took a punt with a short ball, and in a flash England have bowled out 223.